If you're looking for all natural materials when it comes to fashion, I have got you covered. Everything in this video is either 100% cotton, 100% linen, or a combination of them both. So if you want that higher end look, quality, and feel, then you are exactly in the right place. Everything I talk about here today will be linked down below in that description box in one nice master list. In fact, this is part 2 of a 3-part series of all things 100% cotton found on Amazon when it comes to women's fashion. I am 5'7". Everything I purchased here today is in a size small, and I have 4 kids ages 5 through 12, so I love looking put together without breaking the bank. I'll be sure to link all of those videos down below so that you do not miss any of these beautiful pieces. Starting off with this gorgeous pink dress. I love this for spring. I love this for summer. You can really dress this up or you can dress it down. Love wearing this with some ballet flats, even a nice little rattan heel if you want to wear this on a date night or for a brunch or for something fun like, I don't know, a baby shower. This would also be really cute for a date night depending upon where you're going and how you accessorize this. It comes with the belt, which I love, and the buttons, so you can really button this down as much as you want to or button it up. Love the length, love the sleeves, hugs the waist in all the right places, and I've tried a couple dresses very similar to this, and I have to say this one feels the best quality. And this is by the brand Zeska, whom I purchased a ton of pieces from because they're just really great quality. I should also mention, if you don't like any of the colors that I'm showing you here today, rest assured there's a lot of different color options. That's why you're going to want to make sure that you click that master list so that you can really see the images and all the different color options and sizing available for each specific piece. Now this next one, I saw it on the hanger and I was like, I'm not really excited about putting that one on. It doesn't seem very cute. Like, I don't know, is it gonna make me look frumpy and whatnot? But no, my friend, I love this dress, especially this beautiful green color. It's very calming, it's very relaxing, has fun little front pockets. The length in this is also wonderful. I love the v-neck, so you could really showcase some jewelry should you want to, but it also has this really fun tie here that you could tie or leave completely open. This is a high-end look for less. I also love the 3/4 length sleeves, so very versatile dress. I put this on and I did not want to take it off. Oh, and I'm going to be taking my 12-year-old daughter to dinner tonight, and so one of these pieces I'm going to be wearing. I have some ideas about which one, but you're going to have to help me decide. This next brown and white gingham dress is so chic, so beautiful, fun, very playful, very on trend right now, but also a classic dress, if you know what I mean. I love the tie sleeves here, so you could really open this up should you want to, or make it a little bit tighter, a little bit more put together, more refined. The tie here is also adjustable. I think this just cinches the waist at all the right places. I love the length on this. It allows you to show off a little bit more leg and maybe showcase a really cute pair of pumps that you have, white sneakers, of course. That's what's really nice about a lot of these summer dresses, is you can wear them to the baseball game, you can wear them running errands and doing whatnot and being very comfortable on your feet, but you could really make it cute and sassy for a date night depending upon the heel that you put it with. If you're enjoying this video right now, will you please be sure to give it a thumbs up and then hit that subscribe button so that it can reach more people. I would greatly appreciate it. Of course, 100% cotton, another pink dress, but in a different variation. This is effortless. If you're not sure what to wear in the summertime, throw on one of these dresses and you're ready to go. You don't have to think about it. Put on a comfortable ballet flat or a sandal or a sneaker or basically anything that you want to. There's buttons all the way down the back. Well, I shouldn't say all the way down the back, but most of your back, if you know what I mean. This baby doll dress is very comfortable. Love the sleeves on it, sort of that slight puff sleeve. Not too much puff, but a little bit of puff, just right. Very airy, very effortless, and also very fun and girly. This dress reminds me of strawberry fields. I don't really know why. I think it's probably the color combination. There are not strawberries on it, but these very beautiful flowers. The puff sleeves are absolutely gorgeous. I've been seeing a ton of this style dress all around the interwebs, all viral. I also love the little tie here and little fringe and ruffle at the front. This is giving me bohemian vibes, but also a little country all at the same time. If you're looking for a dress that's a little bit longer, this one has got you covered. One more dress, and then we're going to move into a ton of really gorgeous 100% cotton or 100% linen tops. This black and white gingham dress or checkered dress, there's so much play that you can do with this dress and how you jazz it up or spice it up. Now, I put a rattan belt with this and I thought it looked wonderful. You could do a red belt, a white belt, a black belt, or you could do no belt at all if you just want it very flowy, very effortless. Wear this with some white sneakers, but you could also dress this up and make it super cute for a date night. This is one of those classic dresses in your closet that is very versatile that you're going to turn to time and time again. Moving into some tops. tops. This baby blue top. There's also some other names for this color here, but we're just gonna refer to it as maybe a baby blue or a sky blue. This is in fact one of the hottest colors right now moving to the summer. Lululemon just launched their tomato red line and I love it. It's like red, but a little orangey all at the same time. And they did launch a color that's very similar to this one. In fact, it's probably identical. So when I saw this in this button down, yes. I love all the details on this button down. All of these button downs you could leave completely open. You could half tuck them. You could tuck them all the way in. This color right here goes great with blue jeans. I also think it looks really great and refreshing and crisp with something white, such as the white shorts that I'm wearing throughout this video. This next one, in fact, this might be the top that I might wear to dinner tonight. Now, when I put it on, there was nothing, I don't know, like didn't wow me. I do love brown. I do love a good khaki beige color. I think it had to do more with the fit of this. And when I put it with the white shorts, I just was like, heck to the yes. I'm gonna really spice this up with some more gold jewelry. I also think tonight, because it's still a little bit cooler here, I'm gonna wear this with some white pants or some white capri pants. I think that's gonna look wonderful. I could put a jean jacket with this, maybe a white cardigan over my shoulders. The fit on this is just absolutely stunning. Now, I can't quite remember if this comes in multiple color options. Like, I'm pretty sure that it does. We'll pop those on screen now for you, but I gotta know. This I love. I want it in every color. The classic 100% denim button-down shirt. Love, love, love this. When you do not know what to wear, put this on. You can wear it black, you can wear it white, you can wear it with jean, wear it open, leave it completely buttoned, wear it half buttoned. The possibilities are endless. This always looks so chic. One of my favorite ways to wear button downs is with the 3/4 rolled sleeve. I just think it looks so nice and so elevated. In fact, I was thinking that I might wear this one to dinner tonight because I was thinking, oh, just a cute white tank top underneath, some white capri pants would also be really beautiful, some fun jewelry. It's so hard to decide. Orange is very hot and I don't know that I have much orange in my closet. I put on this top. So fun, so girly and airy. I love all the intricate details of this top. This is like the perfect top if you're feeling a little bit bloated. Maybe it's that time of the month. Maybe you're experiencing some menopause or perimenopause symptoms. This right here, your friend, but also looks very beautiful. This is also a high-end look for less and you get it on Amazon for a fraction of the cost. Another beautiful blue button down because this blue color right now just hot, 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 hotter than ever. This is by the brand Pretty Garden. I love pretty much all of their pieces. They just feel really nice. A lot of color combinations. They rarely ever go out of stock, which I love all of those things, but I love all the details on this blue button down. Again, you could leave this completely open with a nice white tank top underneath. This in and of itself is so chic. Pair it with some white shorts like I've done here or white pants and you are set. I love the little ruffle sleeve here. There's also a little bit ruffle here at the collar. So pretty. You know, I love me a good white button down. In fact, my husband and I just went out to dinner together last Friday and all I wore was one of my favorite pair of flare jeans in a white button down. I had some really pretty gold jewelry, like a longer necklace here, rolled the sleeves up, like one of my favorite outfits ever. So when I find a short sleeve version in something white where I can replicate that same chic elevated look, I'm here for it. Love the cap sleeves on this, the detail, the button down, and look at this gorgeous detail. This one does not have a collar on it, so if you're wanting a white, crisp white top that does not collar, this one is your best friend. This next top I was hanging up ready to try on. I was like, I'm not even excited to put on this top. And then when I put it on, I felt way more expensive than this top warrants. I don't know, it's the fabric, it's the material, it's how it fits. It just felt so, what's the best word to describe it? Expensive without trying too hard. Do you know what I mean? You know, you just see some women and it's like, that, she didn't even look like she put much effort into it, but she just looks stunning. That's how this top made me feel. And I love this color. I need to know if it comes in multiple color combinations. I can't remember offhand. It's by the brand Dakatu, which I love. You've heard me talk about that brand before. It is a 3/4 button down, so you could really showcase some jewelry if you wanted to. I think something white, sort of seashell-y would look really nice, or just completely plain in and of itself. This is also a top. I'm like, do I want to wear this one tonight for dinner with my daughter? Canary yellow. You can't look at canary yellow and be mad. At least that's how I feel. Love this. Also by the brand Dakatu. What I love about this is the pattern is a little bit different. It has the beautiful brown trim here all along the sleeve, around the neck, and all the way down. You can wear this in and of itself like this. I just wore a nude bra underneath, or you could leave this open. You could pair this with jeans. You can pair it, well, it looked really nice with the white shorts. You could try a fun monochromatic look if you're up for it. I was just thinking like even a white short capri, maybe a pop of yellow in the sneakers would be really cute. This top right here, you can never go wrong. Beautiful blue color with the white stripes. So much that you could do with this. Put a jean sort of jacket over top, or that jean top that I showed you previously, which is 100% cotton but has that jean vibe look and feel. Pair this with some white shorts. You could even make this even more casual with maybe a white athletic short and some white tennis shoes, maybe some pops of blues you could pull in there. There's so much you could do with this top. I need to know, does it come in multiple color options? I cannot remember offhand, because really a top that you can dress up, you can wear to the office with a white blazer would look really, really nice. A white pant, something like that, or maybe a white long maxi skirt would also look really nice, but even just some white sneakers. This next top I feel like I have in multiple colors, a white variation of this and sort of a sky blue variation of it as well. But this right here paired with white is probably one of my favorite color combinations because it always just looks so nice, so effortless, so elevated. I just wore this with a nude bra underneath. I think it looks wonderful. It's great quality of material and thickness, but also lightweight enough. This is by the brand Pretty Garden, which I love. Again, purchased so many pieces from the brand because they're just great quality, lots of color options, and rarely go out of stock. Okay, a beautiful white button down, but this one is a little bit more girly, very on trend right now with the puff sleeves. You can leave this completely undone like I'm showing you here in the footage, but you could also tuck this in. This is great for day to night, depending upon what you are doing. Put a blazer over top if you're going into the office or you have some meetings, and then you have a date night. I would change my jewelry. I put a cute black heel with this, maybe black pants, or even your favorite pair of jeans would look wonderful. A fun black clutch. Oh, yes, yes, yes. This next blue button down is a little bit different than the other blue button downs that I have shown you. This is a classic in your closet. I love this paired with anything white. I think that color combination looks so beautiful together. Ocean vibes, East Coast vibes. I love this with probably, I would say, like a block heel shoe looks really nice, but even a ballet flat or a white sneaker. I mean, those are like my favorite shoes, my go-to shoes. You can button this down as much as you want. You could leave it completely open with a tank top underneath. I love this. Only a few more. I am getting sad. Okay, I absolutely love this. In fact, this is another piece that I'm like, oh, should I wear this one tonight? But I am like 90% sure I have something very similar in my closet right now. So I have to go up and do a little inventory on that. But I love this. This looks fantastic with jeans. This looks great with black. It looks really, really chic with white. I am a sucker for a good button down. In fact, I was just at my daughter's dance studio the other day. I had a button down on. I think I maybe was wearing some jeans, a baseball cap. It sort of was like this elevated, sporty look, if you know what I mean. And some woman just randomly came up to me and she was like, I love your outfit. And I was like, thank you. Like, that means the world to me considering this is what I do. I didn't tell her that, but I definitely thanked her, like, yes, thank you so much. But you know what I attribute to? It's just a button down. You can wear the button down in so many different ways. In fact, there's someone that I follow on Instagram and she has millions of followers. She has her own clothing line. Well, she launched it with somebody, but basically, you know what I mean. And she is often pairing her pieces with some sort of button down. So she has definitely inspired me in that realm. However, I do mostly Amazon related things, so they are a bit more affordable. I mean, I'm generally not going to be buying like a $200-$300 button down top. I can't justify that, but like 40, 50 bucks, yeah, certainly. In fact, this one is probably even cheaper than that. I love this. Now this was hanging, I was like, I don't know, I'm not too excited about it. And then I put it on with the white shorts and I was like, okay, I absolutely love this, especially the color combination on this top. It's got the pink, there's a little bit of brown, gray, and white. The fit on this is so nice with the cap sleeves. This is definitely a throw and go look where you're gonna look elevated and put together some white sneakers, even some ballet flats, even like white capris would look wonderful. This you could pair this with jeans. I also need to know, does this come in other color combinations? It probably does, like blues and greens. I don't know, I love this one as well. This very beautiful white top, lightweight enough for summer. I love the scallop detail all around the neck here, and then also at the bottom trim, the white. You can never go wrong with the white. This is a high-end look for less. I was thinking this would look really cute with white sneakers and a white baseball hat. So you have these feminine girly girly details, but also very sporty at the same time, depending upon how you pair this. Now, this would also be great for the office. Pair it with some dress pants, a blazer should you want to. So fun. This just takes your everyday white top and kicks it up a notch. Last but not least, this royal blue, capri blue baby doll top. It fits so nice. I love this color. When I see this color out in the wild, meaning when I'm out and about, I cannot help but have my eyes drawn to it. And I think it looks really nice with blue jeans or something white. I love the puff sleeves on it. It feels very comfortable. You could leave this completely open and airy, but you could also tuck this in. It's long enough if you want more of a refined look, especially if you have some meetings. This would also look really cute on a date night, depending upon how you accessorize it. If I'm wearing this on a date night though, I am tucking this in. I'm probably gonna wear like a white pant, probably a white slingback pointed shoe would look really nice, a white clutch, something cute, and some of my favorite accessories. The V-neck here is also excellent if you want to showcase some of your favorite jewelry. It is nice and lightweight, and of course 100% cotton. Let me know down below in that comments box your favorite piece that I showed you here today. Make sure that you're following on Instagram and Facebook at Andrea Jean Co, because in fact I share these pieces there singularly, usually before they come to YouTube. Well, pretty much all the time. So it's like getting a sneak peek. Everything is linked down below and pinned in that top comment, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.